Good morning, Sue!
Holy cannoli!
That's my expression.
Sam, let me sleep in on my day off.
You're sleeping, and what about hungry me?
Just another hour.
As usual. And for her, I wanted to sing a song. Guys, don't be shy and subscribe to the channel. She's not always that angry. And I'll sing for you. Sam is hungry. Sue is sleeping. Please subscribe and you'll be smitten. What should I do while I wait? Where is everybody? Wonder Woman? Rex? Ducky? Strange. Seriously? Anyone? This is just unacceptable. No friends and now not a single candy around? Oh, water blaster! Why is it here? Oh, I know! Running, hurrying!
You had it coming, Sam!
Like this. Miss me! Hop, jump! Sam's a jumper! I'm so quick! You can't get me! Why didn't she get up? Let's try the other side. And pull! Pull more!
Sam, I'm warning you one last time.
She's warning me when she should be feeding me candy. Alarm clock, your time has come. Quiet. Very quiet. What time is it? It's time to eat candy!
That's enough. Sam, you are in so much trouble here.
Mission accomplished! Toodles!
Stay right there.
I have a few errands to run.
I'll show you errands.
True story!
I said stop right there.
Phew, she lost me. Oh, Nutella! Come to Papa.
Here you are.
Of course I'm here. I can't be there.
What's that behind you?
I can't tell.
Look, candy!
Where?
Sam, that was my Nutella for breakfast.
Sammy, she got you so easily. And why is it yours?
Because we both had one, and you finished yours yesterday, and now mine.
Actually, I was, brushing my teeth.
With Nutella?
Yep, it's the best for getting the bad taste out of your mouth. And also, sharing is caring.
Yeah, then you won't mind if I take your hairy candy and make some coconut candies for myself?
My hair candy?
Not yours, ours.
It's not shareable.
Very shareable.
No!
Oh, very well. Keep it.
Ouch! So what should we do about that breakfast?
Let's make Nutella ourselves. I just saw a good recipe.
Is it going to be a real thing?
There's only one way to find out. Hey guys! Today, we'll be making Nutella at home. We'll need half a glass of sugar, a half glass of whole milk, 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, any nuts, 150 grams of butter, and a bit of vanilla sugar. First, let's have the nuts lightly roasted. But only a little bit. That'll get this thin husk off. Now, let's grind the nut in the blender.
I was wondering, will my hairy candy open if I put it in a blender? I shall conduct an experiment.
You should go, experimenter.
Freedom to experimenters! Guys, can you give me a thumbs up? Show her that all you want to see is the candy open!
You are such a beggar. Okay, I'll put the nuts in a blender and see what happens. Look, The nuts released their oil and turned into paste. Guys, what nuts are your favorite? Press the pause button and leave a comment below.
My friend Candy. It didn't work with a blender. How else can I open you? What did you say? You wanna fly? That's no problem. Accelerating! Ready? Go! Ha! You are one tough guy.
Okay, now let's combine milk powder, sugar, cocoa, and vanilla sugar, and stir it really well.
Leave it to the professional. Done. Carry on now.
Right, the most difficult part is truly over. Now let's add warm milk to the mixture and stir it until there are no lumps.
Need some help?
No, you better go deal with the coconut. I'll warm the mixture on a hot plate and keep stirring it. Now when it's hot, I'll add the nut paste. And stirring, stirring, stirring. I'll add the butter next and keep stirring. Don't let it boil though. Look how nice it turned out! When the mixture becomes thicker, you can remove it from the heat. I'll pour it in a Nutella jar very carefully, just like this. And leave it to cool. Who is Sam talking to?
Friend, let's talk man to man. I want you. You want me. All you need to do is open. Okay? Okay, I won't pressure you and give you time to think. Did you think? How about now? Open up! Open now!
Sam, are you talking to the coconut?
Being so difficult. Sue, where's my plate?
Why? You've already eaten. This is delicious!
Ew!
Okay, big guy, here's a sandwich with homemade Nutella.
It's so good!
Did you even chew or just swallow?
Why? By the by, your Nutella lacks an important part.
Which one?
This one!
Sure, why not? Looks pretty good.
Will you share?
Guys, did you like today's video about homemade Nutella? Then make it yourselves. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to not miss anything interesting. Bye-bye!